Well, yesterday I ended up breaking the mini hoe. While I was digging up one of the root balls on a tree, ended up breaking the bucket. So mini hoe's down. I've got the bucket off over to a buddy of mine right down the road here that has he does welding, so he's going to be able to repair it for me. I've got other things I could do. We got another storm system coming in for the next 2 days, so I figure what I'll do is go back there with the tractor and the grapple bucket and start cleaning some of this up, getting it ready to start burning. I won't have the mini hoe much longer, so I need to at least try to get some of that done. I think they're gonna get left, which I'm just going right back over here. It's gonna be a little disappointing for you guys, huh? Get what? Alright, so those are sharpened up, but this is a little portable grinder for out in the woods. I was told it was a professional grade. I really don't know, but it works well for me. Beats having to do it with the old hand file a lot faster, and you carry it along with you. It's got a little bag here that I keep it in. I've got some spare grinding wheels and stuff of that nature. That's right, I got a drone. I'm excited. It's a DJI Mini 2. I haven't used it very much. I've only done 2 flights, very short, but I thought it would add to the channel. I went with this one. It doesn't have obstacle avoidance, which obviously I need it here, but it's something I could afford, and I'm just gonna be careful with it. But anyways, I hope I can get some good shots with this thing. I wanted to get a few shots in here with everything down, see what I can do, but also there's so much I can show y'all guys with this, that because it's heavily wooded, I'll be able to see different perspectives by using this. It's pretty windy, so I'm not going to get too crazy up here in the trees. I still got a lot of trees I need to get down, like I told you guys, but I do want to get some aerial video of me working back here. So anyways, we're gonna get this going. Hopefully I don't crash it. Hopefully. enough playing with the drone. I almost ran into a tree. I didn't put that in the video, but I need to get my trails opened up. The wind is blowing pretty good and the storm is about to come, so I don't know how much I'm going to get done today. So anyways, let's get busy. This thing's cutting like butter. After I got done, probably yelling at you guys. This thing's cutting like butter. After I had sharpened that up with the steel chainsaw, sharpened that 12 volt, that thing is pretty awesome. But I mean, it's just slicing through. And that's an old chain, it's just fresh sharpened. Anyway, so I'm gonna continue on through here, cutting these things the length. A lot of this is green, so I'm gonna have to stack it and let it dry out a little bit, or get a really hot fire. So right now I'm just gonna stack it, get it out of my way so I can come through here. And I need to get a bunch of the dry wood, put it on bottom, and some hollies, that burns pretty good. And then I'll start stacking some heavier stuff on here and some green stuff. Anyways, I should have worn my boots. I'm in tennis shoes. Well guys, I've got a bunch of stuff mixed in dry and green, a lot of holly but a lot of dry stuff on the bottom. I also have a ton of stuff ready to be put on the fire, and then I went out throughout here and stacked a bunch of stuff just to get ready to start burning. Right now it's too dry. We do have some rain coming in next couple of days. So what y'all guys think about the little Mini here? Isn't that pretty cool, that little Mini? That was my Christmas present to myself. I'm hoping to learn how to use it a little better, try to get a lot better footage on it. But yeah, I can't complain about it. I like it. Couldn't afford to go. This is the Mavic Mini 2 Fly More combo. It basically just has extra batteries and a carrying case, stuff like that. I wish I could have went with the Mavic Air 2 just for the obstacle avoidance. I got a lot of trees in here. Scared I'm gonna tear something up pretty quick here. But anyways, guys, I need to get off here. The weather's coming in. I'm hungry. I need to go cook dinner. And guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, the new toy. Come back and watch us build this homestead from scratch. Subscribe, share with all your friends, and we'll see you on the next video.